Hey guys, today's Sunday, January the 21st of 2024, and I wanted to cover the geometry side of natural gas, and there's some interesting things here, especially for this week coming up. So without any further delay, let's get into it. I like to start off with my Gann fans just to kind of see what, where we're at, and, this is a scale at 45. Nothing really there. On the low that we have here, we're hovering around the 1/8, and we're below it right now. But when we put our Gann square, and that's squaring the range from the high of August 23rd, and on a scale chart, you see that right now we're about to kiss this line right here. We're about to kiss the 1/6. And it's going to be interesting. This is the 1/4 right here on the grand grid box. This is another 1/4. That's February the 27th. And this one is at the 21st, which is Sunday. They say that when the prices, crosses these, MSJ calls them vectors, certain sections of these, it's like some kind of energy or some kind of boost or volatility increases. So let's see what's going to happen. But I just figured I'd show it to you just to kind of get you excited. Even if we get a nice little pop or a scalp or a little swing to the upside and then it maybe turns, that's not bad if we could time it right. Nothing there. Let's see. So there's some kind of support here at a 240. This is advanced supporting resistance levels. There's some kind of resistance here, 273. On the Fibonacci, from the August 23rd high to, I guess, maybe the 440. I guess I have 13, 14 low. We're entering that Fibonacci of the 22, 3.6 in time, and that's the 27th. That's coming up. But sometimes that's a hit or miss. On the ellipse, the 25th, from here to this low, keep an eye on that. And from this low, this peak out in the future, you want to keep an eye on the February the 15th. When you put those two circles together, so from the center to this low, from this center to this high, you get a crossover. And that crossover happens on Monday the 22nd. Interesting. Keep an eye on that. Keep an eye on that. Pitchfork. We're at an interesting angle right here. Let's see if we can zoom in. That angle right there should be support if it's going to hold, or a possible maybe swing to the upside. This is the 50%. This is the 25, 75, and that's the 100. We fail at the 50, and then you put a time line, and I think that was 125, and we failed it right there too. So double whammy, 50% and 125 in time. And this is a key level or a key angle you want to watch using the Andrews Pitchfork. I went ahead and put another one just in case because I anchored it from 2 points. So these are closes. The April 14th, and you could say maybe the March 29th. And it's still the same angle. I was just looking at the timing points here. But nonetheless, see, you didn't get the 125 here, but it did, this is always going to be consistent, this 50%, which is the midpoint. Let's see. So I went ahead and put one down, from this high of October, November 1st. What is this? December 12th, 13 low. And this recent high. We're right in the middle of the 50% on the Andrews Pitchfork and the angle. So I see a lot of support here around this 251, 250. So I want to see how we're going to open up Sunday night, in the futures session, just to see if there's going to be a gap to the upside, to the downside, or whatever it opens. I just want to see what is going to be the price action. If they're going to be selling it into the open session, it could be interesting. It could be a possible low and then reverse. And if it's a gap higher and then it starts like pulling back, all the smart money's probably in. So when the US session hits, they're going to probably buy it and push it even higher. So just speculating. But the most important thing is price is king. Just follow what price is doing and trade your strategy, put your stops, and then just see what happens, what plays out. You got to, be in it to win it. You got to play the game, get skin in there. I'm going to sign out. Hopefully you have a great Sunday. Just wanted to put some, thoughts in your head, some analysis, and I'll keep you posted on my thoughts on natural gas.